Good morning to all. Today topic is atomic structure and quantum mechanics. Okay, ఇది ఫిజికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీ నాన్న. అందులో ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ బ్లాక్ బాడీ రేడియేషన్. Black body radiation means when a body is made to eat, it gives out thermal radiation. These radiation have been a longer wavelengths or lower energy and spread over continuous spectrum. A black body may be defined as the one which is able to absorb all the incident radiation and its absorptivity is unity. A black body is referred to as most efficient absorber and emitter of radiation. Wavelength of radiation emitted by a black body will be reversely proportional to its temperature. Okay, this is black body radiation nana. The next topic is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric Photoelectric effect means when a beam of light is suitable wavelength or frequency is allowed to fall on the surface of a metals, the electron are ejected from the surface of the metal. The phenomena of emission of electron is known as photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is more common in metals having low ionization energy. Only radiation having a certain critical or limitation minimum value of frequency can eject electrons. A radiation having frequency smaller than there should be frequency cannot eject the electrons. An increase in the intensity of the lights of a given frequency increase the number of electrons emitted per second from the surface. The kinetic energy of the photoelectrons increases with the increase in the magnitude of the frequency of the incident light. Here h nu equal to plus 1 by 2 mu 2, where h nu 0 equal to threshold energy. Frequency of light of proton. Threshold frequency. Next, Compton effect. This is angular scattering. photon, electron at rest. This is electron at rest. This is scattered electron. In 1923, Compton found that when X-rays of high energy are allowed to fall on solid matter like carbon block or some other light elements, an electron is ejected from the carbon block and X-rays are scattered from their original path and possess longer wavelength than the incident wavelength. Okay. Here it has been found that the scattered X-rays wave longer wavelength than the incident X-rays. This phenomena, in which there is a change in wavelength of the scattered X-rays, is called Compton effect. The angle through which the incident X-rays are deflected from their original path is known as angle of scattering and denoted by theta. Thus, theta is angle between incident and the scattered X-rays.